Rami Malek is on top of the world. The Bohemian Rhapsody star confirmed his romance with Costar Lucy Boynton while accepting the Breakthrough Performance Award at the Palm Springs International Film Festival's Film Awards Gala on Thursday. Malek, 37, couldn't help but take a moment to thank the 24-year-old actress while accepting the award. "Thank you, Lucy Boynton. You have been my ally, my confidant, you are my love," the actor said. "I appreciate you so much." While Malek is just now confirming their relationship, the couple hasn't shied away from hiding their romance. In August, the two were spotted grabbing lunch together in Los Angeles while walking arm in arm. At one point, they shared a kiss while sitting next to each other at lunch. The duo was also seen together in May at a U2 concert in Los Angeles. Malek and Boynton starred together in the biopic Bohemian Rhapsody, which chronicles Queen from 1970, when Mercury teamed with Brian May and Roger Taylor, until the band's performance at Live Aid in 1985, 6 years before the singer died of complications from AIDS. Boynton stars as Mercury's lover and muse, Mary Austin, who was the inspiration behind the singer's 1975 hit song Love of My Life. Malek was recently nominated for a Golden Globe for his portrayal of Mercury, as well as a Screen Actor.